Good morning, it is July 18th. That means it's time to celebrate what our friends do in their gardens. Come along for the journey.
Wow, Jeremy's raised beds are in full swing. Those beans and tomatoes are getting ripe. Your zucchini and pumpkin look great. That okra is filling those beds. Even in this heat, you still have lettuce. Those zucchini are perfect. Great job. Keep us updated.
If you like celebrating what our neighbors do, click that subscribe button. Help me continue to make these videos.
We've got one of our bug eaters.
Johnny's updates proves out his tips. The straw and those strawberries, those things are getting big. Your tip on the Epsom salts and your tomatoes, wow, they're bearing fruit. Pun intended. I think your melon patch needs a bigger bed. Your peppers are fantastic. Keep the updates coming. It's amazing what a small space can produce.
You know, I say we'll see what we get. There are so many factors that are outside of our control. Weather's prime example. Folks up north, they're still frozen while people in Mississippi or California are taking their first, even second harvests.
Fred is a new subscriber from Iowa. His tomatoes are just now ripening. It looks as good as he said it tasted. Fred added some color along with his traditional garden. Thank you for sharing, and please keep us posted as your harvest gets into full swing. And of course, here's the one caterpillar that doesn't eat your garden. A monarch.
Best way I found to grow turmeric. Throw it in the ground and walk away from it. Ignore it, and it'll just start growing.
If you remember in last week's episode, Morgan had sent in a picture of her fermentation setup. Jim got inspired and decided to dust off his rig and make some sour pickles and some sauerkraut. That looks delicious, Jim. Thank you.
Picked off the big squash that look like the zucchini. The skins are still tough enough that we're assuming they're winter squash and we're not cutting them yet. Need you to leave a comment down below. Do we have a zucchetti or a spicchini?
Marty is a new subscriber. He is using old mineral containers for his tomatoes and peppers, mulching with old hay. The proof is in the production. This is great. Please keep us all posted, and thank you for sharing.
What would be your favorite name, a zucchetti or a spicchini? Leave a comment down below. Now, if you want to learn how to trellis tomatoes on a string, hit that button right there. And until next time, we'll see you later. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.